What the fuck? Oh, girl. Oh, yeah, look at the water pump. Ay, ay, ay. Fucking A, man. The bearings are falling out of the damn water pump. Hopefully they didn't go down and get in my damn engine and cooling system. Look, it's smooth now. It's because the fucking bearing just fell out. Can't see it, but bitch is shot. If it ain't one thing, it's a fucking another. Ay, ay, ay. 01 GMC Sierra. This is my workhorse. Water pump went out. Went ahead and did a thermostat. Tensioner was bad. Went ahead and did that. And go ahead and do a belt while I'm here. Gotta do that maintenance. Yes, sir. Don't mind that little exhaust leak. It'll quit in a second. Don't mind that antifreeze that's on there either. That spilt when I put the hose back on it. New thermostat, new water pump, new tensioner, and new belt. She's good to go. Need to get some headers for it. Some manifold or header gaskets, manifold gaskets.